I have like a dumb question.
Oh, please, there are no. Dumb questions.
So I found this like secret compartment in my furnace, and there's this like boxy, crinkly thing inside. What is that?
That's your furnace filter.
It was gross.
Yeah, it collects all the dirt and dust and allergens so you don't breathe it. And over time, all that crud accumulates, so you have to take the old filter out and put it in a new one every 3 months.
That's like a lot.
Yeah.
Is that everything I need to know?
Well, when you go shopping for your new filter, you should check the MERV rating.
Who's MERV?
I don't know, I guess he's like some guy who rates filters.
As a side hustle or something?
Maybe, but you want to get a filter with a MERV rating of at least 13. And the EPA recommends getting one with the highest rating your system fan and your filter slot can accommodate.
Your knowledge of residential heating, ventilation, and air conditioning is so slay.
OMG, Queen, you're slay.